What's the meaning of Anfield? Anfield. 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 Anfield.
Anfield is a football stadium located in Liverpool, England. It is home to Liverpool Football Club and has a capacity of over 53,000 spectators. The stadium opened in 1884 and is named after the district of Anfield where it is located. Over the years, Anfield has become an iconic venue for football matches, hosting some of the most memorable games in history. Its famous, "You'll Never Walk Alone" anthem and passionate fanbase have made Anfield a symbol of Liverpool and one of the most revered stadiums in world football.